Here's another great snack for you guys. I always make this when I don't know what to make for guests and we have a barbecue. It's Swahili Kachori. Guys in India, this is the Swahili version. So don't be writing to me and telling me Kachori is something else in India. I know. But in Kenya, things are different, or rather in East Africa. For some reason, we're given that name, and that's what we stuck to. So here's a Swahili Kachori. I started by slicing 2 medium to large potatoes, added them to a pan along with a little water and salt, covered it and boiled it until they were nice and well cooked and all the water had evaporated. I then added turmeric, cumin powder, a little chili powder, lemon. I think I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon. Don't put too much because you don't want it to be over mushy as well. I then added some garlic and coriander paste. And you want to then mash this mixture up well. If you don't have a potato masher, don't despair. You can use the back of a bottle, and I actually think that it works much better. Sometimes you don't need fancy tools, you guys. Once I'd mashed my mix, I added a few teaspoons of ketchup. You can use chili sauce if you want. Then form some balls. Sorry. I always crack up when I say that. Let's make our batter. I added flour and water. Gave it a good stir. The consistency you're trying to look for is not runny, not thick, sort of in between. So just keep adding water a little at a time until you're happy with the consistency. I then added a few drops of chili sauce, a little turmeric, a little salt, more turmeric. I like the color. My oil is hot and ready. You then want to add your kachori to the batter that you've made and make sure they're evenly coated, and then add them to the oil. Because your potato mixture is already cooked, you're not going to have to fry them for too long. I'd say about 2 minutes. What you want is just to cook the batter and give it some good color. I just kept splashing the oil on top to cook it evenly. Once you've achieved the desired color, you then want to put them on some kitchen paper to blot the excess oil, and that's it. Call it a day. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and as always, happy cooking!